you can't hear her. Yeah, because I'm too lazy to change the setting. So, yeah, we're going to be speed building, and I shall show you what we're building. Let's see. There's a bunch of stuff that we will make. So, this should give you a build. We are building horses. No, we're building one horse. But it's gonna is it that horse? Let me get myself a horse spawn egg so I can spawn a ton of horses and show you which one we're gonna be modeling. Actually, let's go. Come on, Bill. Oh yeah. So there's our dogs. There's our sheep. We're gonna be continuing over here with our dogs. So here's our king sheep that we made. Okay. You know what? Okay. I'm gonna TP. Alright. No, lighter. Alright. So there's our king sheep. Dogs. You guys, check out that.
I'm living on the night. I'm losing all my days. It's the same old story. When you feel it lonely. I'm living on the night. I'm losing all my days. It's the same old story.
Apparently, Big was laughing hard.
When you feel it lonely. I'm living on the night.
So I'll do this, you know, after we start it. But I'll just get myself a beacon. And we'll fly to a good place to start.
I hit the streets to try my luck.
Yeah. Check out my other speed though.
I saw traces of the setting sun. And certain
Bam, beacon. I have particle effects on.
goes on. I'm living on
Yeah,
the
checking your main perspective.
I'm losing all my days. It's the same old story.
So beacon.
When you feel it
Wait, why isn't this working?
I'm living on
Oh wait, never mind. Alright, so we're gonna start. Yeah, I know. I did. So we're going to be starting the speed build.
When you feel it lonely.
Alright, so
I'm losing all my days. It's the same old story.
and once we find the inventory, we'll start this one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. And without further ado, I will see you all.
Somewhere we can go to, where sunshine never fails. There's somewhere we can run to, the city of angels. 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 can feel the warmth of the sunrise rising up inside me. I would not sleep. I had to wait for morning. I can feel the cool night ending. A wrinkle coming out on the horizon. Everybody's searching for the freedom, of freedom. Yeah, of freedom, of freedom. Yeah, of freedom. You, girl, waiting for the sun. I was waiting for you, girl, waiting for the sun. I'm not the one to give up hope, but I've been hoping so